Hello. Dear students of class 10, we are going to solve mathematics R.D. Sharma exercise 1.1 real numbers example 3. So one instruction is that if you follow all of my videos, you will score good marks in board examination. By this, we start example 3 solution. So question is given that so that any positive odd integer of the form 4q+1 or 4q+3 where q is some integer. So solution is let a is equals to odd positive integer and b is equals to 4. So by division lemma, by division lemma, their integer q and r. So a is equals to 4q plus r, where 0 less than equal to r less than 4. So if r will be 0, then it will be 4q, or if r will be 1, then 4q plus 1, or if r will be equals to 2, so 4q plus 2, or if r will be is equals to 3, then a is equals to 4q plus 3. So this is due to 0 less than equal to r less than 4. So this implies r is equals to 0, 1, 2, 3. So there is given in the question that a is equals to odd positive integer. So a is equals to either 4q plus 1 or a is equals to 4q plus 3, as a is an odd integer. Hence a is not is equals to 4q, or a is not is equals to 4q plus 2. Hence any odd integer is of the form 4q plus 1 or 4q plus 3. So thank you. We are done with this question. Subscribe if you like the video and follow for more questions in the future. If you want good marks in board examination, follow all of my videos. Thank you. If you have any doubt, you can ask in the comment box and I will try to resolve in the comment box itself, or I will make the your doubt question video in the next session. Thank you.